trace any part of this region AMN, and region AMN is nothing but the sector of the circle. So to calculate the required area, we first need to understand how to calculate the area of a sector. So let us take a general circle. There, look at sector AOB. The angle that subtends at the center is theta. It's time we use the unitary method. The angle formed at the center of the circle is 360 degree. So this means for 360 degree, area of the circle is pi r squared. What would be the area of the sector for 1 degree? That would be 1 divided by 360 degree into pi r squared. And if the angle subtended at the center is theta, then the area of the sector would be theta by 360 degree into pi r squared. So we now have our formula. Area of a sector of angle theta equals theta by 360 degree into pi r squared. So let's go back to the question again. What is the angle of the sector here? That means we are talking about angle A. Angle A, that equals 90 degree. So the area of the sector here equals 90 degree by 360 degree into pi r squared. Pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? That is nothing but the length of the rope, 4 meters. So this is the expression that you have. You simplify this and you will get your answer as 12.6 square meters. So the area of the grass field that the horse can graze is 12.6 square meters. But let's not stop here. Let us also look at a related topic. Suppose we need to find out the length of the arc up to which the horse can move. That is this length, the length of arc MN. How do we do it? To understand this, we again used to apply the unitary method. So look at this figure again, a general circle. We have an arc AB. The angle subtends at the center, that is theta. Now for 360 degrees, the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So for 1 degree, what would be the arc length of the sector? That would be 1 by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So if the angle is theta, then the arc length of the sector would be theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. This is our formula. Length of an arc of a sector of angle theta, this equals theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. So let's use this formula in the question again. Go back to the figure. Theta, we know that is 90 degree. So the length of arc MN, that is 90 degree by 360 degree into 2 into pi, that is 22 by 7 into r. Length of the rope, 4 meters. You simplify this expression and you get your answer as 44 by 7 meters. So the length of arc MN, that is 44 by 7 meters.
Area of sector. First example is a circle has a radius of 6 inches. Find the area of sector if its central angle is 60 degree. We will discuss this example on table. Radius is 6 inches and subtended angle at center is 60 degree. We are supposed to find this area of shaded region, that one can find using the formula A equal to 1 by 2 r square theta. Our first job is we are supposed to convert the given angle into radian. Theta is 60 degree, that we can convert into radian by multiplying by pi by 180 degree. So radian measure is pi by 3. So 1 by 2, radius is 6 square into pi by 3, that is 18 pi by 3, that is 6 pi inches. We will discuss the same example on presentation. Our first job, we have to convert the given angle into radian, so it will be pi by 3. Formula to find area of sector is 1 by 2 r square theta, radius is 6. So 6 square, 1 by 2 into 6 square, pi by 3, that is 6 pi square inches. Second example, find the area of a sector with radius 12.7 centimeter and the angle theta is 74 degree. First, our job is to convert the given angle to radian. For that, multiply by pi by 180. So, angle in radian is 1.292 radians. Use the formula to find the area of sector of a circle, that is 1 by 2 r square theta, and radius is 12.7. When we replace value in the formula, we will get 104.193 centimeter square area of sector. Now we will find area of one piece of pizza. Let's find out the area of one piece of pizza that I am going to eat in front of you while you sit starving in your desk. Don't worry, I will eat only one piece remaining for you. This is the pizza and I am going to find area of one piece of pizza that you can see on the screen. Let us try to understand what we are going to do. I have a pizza in 6 equal cut pieces with diameter 12 inches. So radius must be 6 inches. What is the area of just one of those pieces? What would be your formula for the area of that one piece of pizza? The ratio of the whole pizza is 60 by 360 or 1/60th part. We have divided pizza in 6 parts, so angle must be 60 degree as the complete revolution gives 360 degree angle. So 1 by 6 of the area of the whole pizza. So formula is 1 by 2 r square theta. 1 by 2 r is 6 and theta is 60 degree, that is pi by 180. 6 pi, that is 18.85 inches square. We will try to understand this example on table. You can understand as a pizza, and we have divided pizza in 6 equal parts. This is one of the piece of pizza and we are supposed to find area of this part. As complete revolution gives 360 degree angle, so angle is 60 degree and 12 inches is diameter of pizza, so radius must be 6. So area one can find using the formula 1 by 2 r square theta. Our first job is we have to convert the given angle into radian. So theta equal to 60 degree multiply by pi by 180. So angle is pi by 3. So 1 by 2 and radius is 6 square into pi by 3. When we simplify, we will get area of one piece of pizza. Let us continue on presentation. Now try some on your own. Note down the question. An arc of 18.7 unit length subtended an angle of 45 degree at the center of a circle. Find area of the sector. Here arc length is 18.7 and subtended angle is 45 degree. We want to find area using the formula 1 by 2 r into s. You can find the area of sector and answer is 222.53 square units. Next example, the perimeter of a sector of a circle of area 36 square centimeter is 24 centimeter. Find the area of a sector. Answer is 36 square centimeter. If the perimeter of a sector of a circle having area 16 pi is 18, here area of circle is 16 pi and perimeter of a sector is 18. Find the length of arc and area of the sector. We will try to understand this example on table. Here area of circle is 16 pi and perimeter of sector is 18. It is given, and we know the area of circle is pi r square. Area of circle is 16 pi. It is given. It is equal to pi r square. Pi will be cancelled out, so r square equal to 16. Radius of circle is 4 centimeter. Now perimeter of sector is given 18. And we know the formula to find perimeter of sector, that is 2r plus s equal to 18. And radius we have obtained, that is 4. Replace it. 2 into 4 plus s equal to 18. So length, arc length is 10. Now we are going to find area of a sector using the formula 1 by 2 r into s. Radius is 4 centimeter or 4 units and s is 10. So that is 20 units square area of sector. We will try to understand this example on presentation also. What is given? Perimeter of sector is 18 and area of circle is 16 pi, and we are supposed to find arc length and area of sector. Here area of circle is 16 pi and perimeter of sector is 18. As we know that area of circle is pi r square and area of circle is given 16 pi. So pi will be cancelled out, and so that radius is 4 units. And perimeter of circle is 18 is given, and the formula is 2r plus s. We have obtained value of radius r, that we can replace here. So we will get arc length, that is s, 10 units, and using the formula 1 by 2 r into s to find area of sector, that will give you 20 square units. Second example, find out distance moved by a tip of minute hand of length 10 units and area covered by minute hand in 20 minutes. Again I will repeat the question. Find out distance moved by a tip of minute hand of length 10 units and area covered by minute hand in 20 minutes. We will try to understand this example by watch. You can see here it is a watch and this is a minute hand, length is 10 centimeter. If I rotate this minute hand, then complete revolution, say like this, complete revolution, again it is come on 12. So complete revolution gives 360-degree angle, and we want to find arc length, we want to find length after 20 minutes. After 20 minutes the minute hand will be on 4. If it is on 1, then the angle will be 30 degree. If it is on 2, then angle will be 60. If it is on 3, then exactly 90 degree. If it is on 4, then angle will be 120 degree. Ultimately the distance moved by tip of minute hand, that we want to find, and that is nothing but arc length. You can see if it is on 12 and when it comes on 4, that is after 20 minutes, we are going to find arc length and area. Let us try to understand this example on table. this is a minute hand on 12. After 20 minutes, the position of minute hand will be here. So we are supposed to find this angle, and length of minute hand is given in the question 10 centimeter. We know that minute hand complete revolution gives after 60 minutes. Angle will be 2 pi radian. So for 20 minutes, how much? So 20 into 2 pi by 60. So angle is 2 pi by 3 radian, and 10 centimeter is length of tip of minute hand. We are the distance moved by tip of minute hand is nothing but arc length. So we have to find arc length S, and that one can obtain using the formula R into theta. Radius is nothing but distance of length of tip of minute hand, that is 10 centimeter, and angle is 2 pi by 3, that is 20 pi by 3. And we want to find area moved by tip of minute hand in 20 minutes, that is the shaded region. That one can find using the formula A equal to 1 by 2 R into S, that is 1 by 2, radius is 10 and S is 20 by 3 pi. When we simplify, we will get area after 20 minutes. We will discuss this example on table, on presentation. We know that in 60 minutes